everyone, in this video, we will go over a very special stealth fighter with a futuristic design that was created specifically for the United States Air Force. Before we continue, please click the like and subscribe buttons if you enjoy this channel. The twin-engine YF-23 stealth fighter technology demonstrator was built in cooperation with Northrop and McDonnell Douglas. The aircraft was created by the United States Air Force, USAF, to compete fiercely with other finalists in the USAF Advanced Tactical Fighter (ATF) competition in the 1980s. This competition was won by the F-22 Lightning II, which was developed by Lockheed in collaboration with Boeing and General Dynamics. The YF-23 is a better design and could outperform the F-22 in all aspects except super maneuverability. The YF-23 does not have a thrust vector nozzle, but it does have an exhaust mounted on the hood with special cooling tiles that reduces the aircraft's heat mark by about 40%, so that YF-23 can avoid heat-seeking missiles. Whereas its rival F-22, despite its superior maneuverability, will provide heat traits and thus be vulnerable to Python heat-seeking missiles and heat-seeking MBDA missiles such as ASRAAM. In this case, the F-22 could only defend itself by flying away using super maneuverability and continuous super sailing to keep the aircraft from being attacked from a particular distance. Is the YF-23 less expensive to develop than the F-35? With the help of a control surface, its overall mobility is controlled. Engineers decided to install a V-tail that controls yaw, pitch, and roll in order to generate the thrust vectoring effect. The YF-23 has thrust vector nozzles. The controls on the trailing ends of the wings perform roll and lift duties, as well as speed brakes and steering. The inner flap will descend while the outside aileron rises, slowing the airplane. The V-tail at the back of the aircraft has several advantages, including greatly reduced mass, increased stealth, significantly reduced radar visibility at the back of the aircraft, and extremely low thermal visibility, which completely conceals the engine from all angles of view except when looking directly above and behind the aircraft. As the airflow is stabilized at the front of the aircraft, a chingy or longitudinal line on the front cross-sectional profile lowers drag and increases lift for the craft, especially during supersonic flight. Engineers at Northrop Grumman and McDonnell Douglas calculated that while it is used on many other aircraft, including the SR-71 Blackbird, it offers the finest level and performance of any current fighter on the YF-23. That's a brief review of what are the advantages between the YF-23 and the F-22. For more details, we will discuss at a later time. Thank you for watching till you in the next video.